Welcome to this exciting video on growth hacking from Bigbyte. In this video, we'll dive into what growth hacking is, how it differs from traditional marketing, how does the growth hacking process look like, essential metrics you should track to measure your growth hacking success, and how Spotify and Airbnb growth hacked their way to come to the place where they are today. There is also a bonus tip for you on how to make your growth hacking super success, so stay till the end of video. Don't miss it. Now let's start with what growth hacking is. Growth hacking is a mindset and set of techniques that focus on rapid and scalable growth for businesses. Unlike traditional marketing approaches, growth hacking is a data-driven and experimental process that prioritizes innovative tactics to achieve remarkable results. So, how does growth hacking differ from traditional marketing? While traditional marketing often involves large budgets, extensive planning, and long-term campaigns, growth hacking takes a more agile approach. It emphasizes quick iterations, low-cost experiments, and leveraging existing resources to drive growth. Now, let's walk through the growth hacking process step by step. First, it starts with thorough research. Understand your target audience, their pain points, and the channels they engage with. Next, set clear and measurable goals. Define key performance indicators that align with your business objectives. Now, it's time to brainstorm growth hacking ideas. Think outside the box and explore unconventional strategies that can deliver significant impact. Execute small-scale experiments to test your ideas. This could involve A/B testing, social media campaigns, referral programs, or unique partnerships. Analyze the data and results from your experiments. Identify what's working and what's not. Then iterate and optimize your approach accordingly. Once you've found successful growth tactics, scale them up. Focus your resources on what generates the most impact and keep iterating to improve further. Now, let's talk about the metrics you should track to measure your growth hacking success. 1. User acquisition. Measure the number of new users or customers you acquire through your growth hacking efforts. Keep an eye on acquisition channels and conversion rates. 2. Activation. Determine how many users engage with your product or service after their initial interaction. Are they experiencing the value you promised? 3. Retention. Track the percentage of users who continue to use your product or service over time. High retention rates are crucial for sustained growth. 4. Referral rate. Measure the number of referrals generated by your existing users. A strong referral program can lead to organic growth and lower customer acquisition costs. 5. Revenue and ROI. Ultimately, growth hacking aims to drive revenue. Monitor your revenue growth and calculate the return on investment ROI of your growth hacking initiatives. Now let's unveil the growth hacking strategies of two powerhouse brands, Spotify and Airbnb. Starting with Spotify, the leading music streaming platform. Spotify revolutionized the music industry with its personalized recommendation engine. By analyzing user data and music preferences, Spotify's algorithm provides tailored song suggestions and curated playlists, keeping users engaged and discovering new music. To boost engagement and social sharing, Spotify introduced collaborative playlists. This feature allows users to create and share playlists with friends, fostering a sense of community and driving user growth as more people join the platform. Spotify harnesses the power of viral sharing. They create shareable content like personalized playlists for special occasions, encouraging users to share them on social media. This not only attracts new users, but also promotes the Spotify brand. If you are enjoying the video, do like the video and tell us in comments section how would you use growth hacking. Next, let's explore the growth hacking strategies of Airbnb, the revolutionary home-sharing platform. To maximize exposure, Airbnb integrated with popular travel websites, blogs, and social media platforms. This cross-platform integration increased visibility, allowing users to seamlessly share their listings and attract a larger audience. Airbnb's referral program became a powerful growth driver. By incentivizing both hosts and guests to refer new users, Airbnb created a community of brand advocates who shared their positive experiences and expanded the user base. User-generated content played a crucial role in Airbnb's growth. By encouraging users to share high-quality photos and videos of their stays, Airbnb built trust and showcased the unique experiences they offer, inspiring others to book with confidence. Now it's time for bonus tip. Collaborate with relevant influencers in your industry to amplify your reach and credibility. Identify influencers who align with your brand values and have a strong following. Partner with them to create engaging content, reviews, or endorsements that can significantly boost awareness and drive user acquisition. Harness the power of influence to tap into their loyal audience and supercharge your growth marketing campaign. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Do subscribe to Bigbyte channel and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching the video.